Dear students, I am Dharamveer. I welcome you all to my channel. Today I have a video for you in continuation with the previous video on surface area and volume. So starting with the video, the question is the diameter of the base of a cone is 10.5 centimeter and slant height is 10 centimeter. Find its curved surface area and its total surface area. So today question is the with the cone the cone is of diameter 10.5 centimeter, whereas the slant height is 10 centimeters. Slant height L of the cone 10 centimeter, diameter 2r is equal to 10.5 centimeters. Therefore, radius r will be 10.5 upon 2. 105 upon 20. Divide it by 5, that will be 21 upon 4 centimeters. So you have to find this curved surface area and its total surface area. Curved surface area of cone is equal to pi r L. 22 upon 7, r is 21 upon 4 centimeter, and the slant height is 10 centimeter. Multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5 divided by 2, that is, and 2 cancel, 22 से 3 हो गया 165 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर. 11 into 3 into 5. तो पहले 7 को 21 से कैंसिल किया, फिर 4 को 2 से कैंसिल किया, यहाँ 2 आया और यहाँ 5 आया, और फिर 2 को 22 से कैंसिल किया, तो इस तरह से आया 165 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर. नाउ यू हैव टू फाइंड द टोटल सरफेस एरिया. ऑफ कोन. Formula is pi r into r plus L. 22 upon 7. R is 21 upon 4. 21 upon 4 plus L is 10. 22 upon 7, 21 upon 4, और इसको ऐड करके आएगा 61 upon 4. इसे मल्टीप्लाई करें, 61 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 3 183, multiplied by 11 3 91 2013 divided by 8. Divide by 8. 2 8 से डिवाइड किया 251.6625 ये आएगा 251.625 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर. So this is the total surface area and this is the curved surface area of the cone with the slant height 10 centimeter whereas the diameter 10.5 centimeters. Now I take the another question. The next question is a conical tent is 10 meter high. 10 meter high and the radius of its base is 24 meters. So find its slant height. First part, find its slant height. Then second part is cost of the canvas required to make the tent if the cost of 1 meter square canvas is ₹70. Height of the cone (10 meter), radius of the cone 24 meter. So you have to find first slant height. Slant height L. So formula L is equal to R square plus S square under root. R is 24 meter, H is 10 meter, 576 meter square, 100 meter square under root 676 meter square under root will be 26 meters. So therefore the slant height is 26 meters. So that was the first part of the question. Now you have to find the cost of the canvas required. So you have to find the, first of all you will have to find the curved surface area. Curved surface area of the cone, that will be pi RL. Pi is 22/7, R is 24 meter, whereas L is 26 meters. So multiply all these and you have to find the cost of so this will be in meter squares. 22/7, 24 into 26 meter square. We will find out the total cost we need not to multiply here. After multiply this cost of 1 meter square, so that will be the final answer. So cost of 1 meter square is equal to rupees 70. The cost of 22 upon 7 into 24 into 26 meter square will be 22 upon 7 multiply by 24 multiply by 26 and multiply by 70. So this will be in rupees. So multiply all these. 24 multiply by 26, 104, 624. Then multiply by 10, 6240. Multiply by 22, 0, 88. Multiply by 22, 44 plus 8, that is 52. 132 plus 5, 137. So this is the answer, 137280 rupees. That is the total cost. The total cost of canvas is rupees 137280 rupees. So this is the answer. Now we take another question. So here is the next questions. What length of the tarpaulin of 3 meter wide will be required to make a conical tent of height 8 meter and the base of radius 6 meter? Assume the extra length of the material that will be required for stitching, margin and wastage in cutting is approximately 20 centimeter, and the pi will be used as 3.14, not 22 upon 7, that is 3.14. The value of pi to be used here is 3.14. This is a conical tent of height 8 meters. And the radius 6 meters. Height of conical tent 8 meter, radius R is 6 meter, slant height L will be R square plus S square under root. 6 meters square plus 8 meters square, 36 meters square plus 64 meters square, 100 meter square, and that will be 10 meter. Therefore L is 10 meters. Now you have to find the curved surface area of this tent to make it with a tarpaulin. The curved surface area of conical tent pi r l 3.14, value of r is 6 meter and value of l is 10. Six into 4, 24. 188.4 meter square. So this is the curved surface area of the conical tent. So that much turf-plane will be required. So you have to find the length of the turf-plane with width 3 meters. Width of tarpaulin is 3 meter. Therefore, length will be area divided by width. Area is 188.4 meters square divided by 3 meters. So that will be 62.8 meters. So this is the length. So here length as stand for length of a tarpaulin. And in the question you are given the extra length of the material required. Extra material required is 20 centimeter. 20 divided by 100, 0.2 meter. Therefore, the total length of tarpaulin will be 62.8 meter plus 0.2 meter, so that will be 63 meters. So this is the answer for the question. So 63 meter tarpaulin will be required to make a conical tent. Next, so we will take next question. The next question is on a hemisphere. Find the total surface area of the hemisphere of radius 10 centimeters. This is a hemisphere of radius 10 centimeters. We have to find a total surface area. Total surface area of hemisphere is given by a formula 3 पाई आर स्क्वायर। 3 पाई की वैल्यू इसमें यूज करनी है 3.14। आर इज 10 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर। 314 divided by 100, 10 into 10 that is 100 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर। तो 100 से 100 कैंसिल हुआ तो हो गया 942 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर। दैट इज द टोटल surface area of the hemisphere of radius 10 centimeters. This is the answer. The next question is the radius of a spherical balloon increases from 7 centimeter to 14 centimeter as air is being pumped into it. Find the ratio of the surface area of the balloon in the two cases. यानी एक बैलून को जब उसमें हवा भरी गई तो वो उसका रेडियस 7 सेंटीमीटर से 14 सेंटीमीटर हो जाता है। तो दोनों केसेस में उसके जो सरफेस एरिया है उसका आपको रेशियो निकालना है। इन फर्स्ट केस radius of spherical balloon 7 centimeter. In the first case, the radius of the spherical balloon is 7 centimeter. The surface area will be 4 pi r square. 4 pi r square is a formula for the surface area of the sphere. 4 use pi as it is because we have to find the ratio and not the actual value. So use pi in the form of pi, not put its value. Value of r is 7 centimeter into 7 centimeters. So this is the surface area in the first case. In the second case, radius of the spherical balloon (14 centimeters). Therefore, surface area that is the first case, that is the A1. Now we are taking A2. 4 pi 4 into pi, value of r is 14 centimeter, multiplied by 14 centimeters. Now we have to find the ratio. The ratio of the two areas. Ratio of the two areas. A1 upon A2. The area, surface area in the first case and surface area in the second case. The first case 4 into pi into 7 centimeter multiplied by 7 centimeter, and the second case 4 into pi 14 centimeter 14 centimeter. 1, 2, 1, 2. That is 1 upon 4. So ratio is 1 upon 4. So this is the answer. So you can write it in the form of 1:4. A1 ratio A2, that is 1:4. The next question is, find the radius of a sphere whose surface area is 154 centimeter square. A sphere, you have to find its radius. Let the radius of the sphere be R. The surface area (154 centimeter square). Therefore, 4 pi R square 154 centimeter square. So 4 into 22 upon 7 into R square is equal to 154 centimeter square. So R square will be 154 multiplied by 7 upon 22 divided by 4. So that will be R square. 7 into 7, that is R square. So R will be 7 multiplied by 7, 2 into 2 under root. So value of R will be 7 upon 2 centimeters. The radius will be, radius of sphere will be 7 upon 2 centimeter. That is 3.5 centimeters. That is the answer. Now we take up the next question. Here is the next question. A go down measures 40 meter multiply 25 meter multiply 15 meters. Find the maximum number of the wooden crates, each measuring 1.5 meter multiply 1.25 meter multiply by 0.5 meters that can be stored in the godown. अब देखिए इस क्वेश्चन में आपको क्या है कि गोडाउन के अंदर जो क्रेट्स रखनी है उनके आपको नंबर्स निकालना है। इस ऐसे केसेस में हमें वॉल्यूम जो है वॉल्यूम निकालना पड़ता है हर दोनों चीजों का। एंड द गोडाउन इज इन द शेप ऑफ ए क्यूबॉइड। लेंथ, दिस इज द लेंथ, ब्रेड्थ एंड हाइट। सेम फॉर द वुडन क्रेट्स आल्सो, लेंथ, ब्रेड्थ एंड हाइट। Volume of cuboidal godown is equal to L into B into H. 40 meter multiplied 25 meter and multiplied by 15 meters. So that will be in meter cube. And volume of one wooden crate again that is also cuboidal. So length, breadth and height, that is 1.5 meter multiply 1.25 meter multiply 0.5 meter. So number of the crates, maximum number maximum number of the crates that can be stored. That can be stored in the godown. That will be equal to volume of godown divided by volume of one crate. 40 meter, 25 meter, 15 meter divided by 1.5 meter, 1.25 meter, 0.5 meter. So you have to replace the decimals. meter, 25 meter, 15 meter, 10 for 1.5, 15, 100 for 1.25 and 10 for 0.5. अब आप इसे कैंसिल करें. 15, 15, 25, 125, 5 with 40, 8, 5 with 10, so 8 into 2, 16, 16 and 3 zeros. So this is the answer. 16,000 crates that can be stored. A very simple questions, nothing to be multiplied. Just write the volume of the godown and write the volume of the one crate and divide them. So that will be the answer. The next question is the circumference of the base of a cylindrical vessel is 132 centimeter and its height is 25 centimeter. How many liter of water can it hold? The vessel is in the shape of a cylinder, that is cylindrical. The circumference, then this, in total this part, just for A, this will be starting from A and coming back to B, the total part, that is 132 centimeter. Height is 25 centimeter. That the radius is R. Let the radius of cylinder R. Height 25 centimeter. The circumference of base 132 centimeter. 2 pi r is equal to 132 centimeter. So 2 into 22 upon 7 into r is equal to 132 centimeter. So r will be 132 multiplied by 7 upon 22 and multiply in the denominator, that is the 2. 6, 3, 21 centimeter. The radius is 21 centimeter. Now we have to find the volume. Volume of the cylinder. Pi r square h. 22 upon 7. R is 21 centimeter. H is 25 centimeter. 22 upon 7. 21 centimeter. 21 centimeter. 25 centimeter. मल्टीप्लाई करें, टू को 25 से मल्टीप्लाई किया 550, then 3 से मल्टीप्लाई किया 1650, 21 से मल्टीप्लाई किया 21 into 5 105, 21 into 6 126 plus 10 136 and 34. The total volume will be 34650 centimeter cube. So you have to find the volume in liter. So capacity will be termed in the form of liter. So you know 1000 centimeter cube is equal to 1 liter. So capacity will be capacity of the cylinder will be 34650 divided by 1000. 34.65 liters. So this is the answers. आपसे पूछा था कि इसमें कितना पानी आ सकता है, how many liter of water can it hold? So the capacity of the cylinder is 34.65 liters. So this much water can hold this cylinder, 34.65 liters. This is the answer. The next question is that the inner diameter of the cylindrical wooden pipe is 24 centimeter and its outer diameter is 28 centimeter. The length of the pipe is 35 centimeter. Find the mass of the pipe if 1 centimeter cube of wood has a mass of 0.6 gram. The shape is cylindrical. So here you have to make a cylinder. This is one cylinder of outer diameter is 28 and the inner diameter, another cylinder, that is the inner cylinder. I have drawn it in the dotted form. Inner cylinder, the inner diameter is 24 centimeters. Outer diameter of cylinder 28 centimeters. Therefore, outer radius we are taking as capital R for outer. 28 divided by 2, 14 centimeters. Inner diameter 24 centimeter. Inner radius small r 24 divided by 2, 12 centimeter. So you have to find the volume of the wood and then mass of the wood. So therefore the volume of the wood will be volume of outer cylinder minus volume of inner cylinder. So that will be pi capital R square H. Just we have to write the length of the pipe also. The length of the pipe H is 35 centimeters. The length of the pipe is given 35. This is the H. When we are keeping the cylinder in the upright position, that is called height. And when we place it in the horizontal position, then it becomes the length. So this is the volume of the outer cylinder minus volume of the inner cylinder. Here H is the same, length is the same, pi is the same, but difference is in the radius. So pi and H, common factor, in bracket होगा r square minus small r square. Pi 22/7, H 35, 14 centimeters square minus 12 centimeter square. 110. 22 multiplied by 5, 110. Multiply 14 into 14, 196 centimeter square minus 12 into 12, 144. So 110 196 minus 144, that is 52. That volume of the wood will be 0, 11 into 2, 2, 5720 centimeter cube, because the dimensions here were used thrice, r twice in r and one dimension is in the h, then it will come in the as centimeter cube, because 1 centimeter will be for 35. So this is the volume of the wood. Now you have to find the mass of the wood. Five 720 multiplied by 0.6 gram. 0 2, we are multiplied with 6. 0 2 43 34 point gram, and in kg will be 3432 divided by 1000, 3.432 kg. So this will be the mass of the wood which is required to make a cylinder of thickness 4 centimeters, because the outer diameter is 28, inner diameter is 24. The thickness of the wood will be 28 minus 24. Radius. We have to find the difference between the radius. So outer radius 14, inner radius 12. The thickness will be 2. 12, 14 minus 2, 12. That's the 2 centimeter thickness of the wood. इसलिए इसका टोटल जो मास हुआ 3.432 kg. So I have taken few questions from the sphere, hemisphere, cone, and few questions from the volume of the cylinder. So some questions are still left here. So those will be discussed in the next video. So I request you all to watch the video quite well, and then like it and share it with your friends. So thank you. Have a nice day.